Ah, so good.
Good.
Masarap ang fishball, masarap. Napakasarap.
It's good.
Manyaman.
Dude, I'm telling y'all, this dude's vinegar sauce is fire. It's a special day today. My son turned 2 months today officially, and what we did was hire our local fishball guy who's actually just down the street over there. Her spot is in front of the hypermarket. We discovered him about a month ago. We were shopping and we wanted some fish balls and some kwek, and we hung out there for about 10 minutes, and it was delicious. You know what was the main hitter was his vinegar sauce. It was fire. And I was like, you know what, this is good. This is really good. So we got our boy Onyo, who owns the fishball business. It's pretty cool because we rented him out, we got him for the day, and anybody who's stopping by, they can just have it for free. And we paid him a little bit more than his day because he's a dope dude and his fish balls are good. So, fish balls, here we go. If you're not familiar with the street food of the Philippines, what are the most popular types of street food here is like this type of business where they serve fish balls, kwek, kikiam, chicken balls. It kind of varies at this point, but the way it works is you pay per piece. Hey Eric, you pay per piece, right?
Yeah, per piece.
Per piece?
Yeah.
Okay, so like typically, like you just eat as much as you want.
Yes, as much as you want. Kahit ilan, basta kung hanggang saan kaya ng tiyan mo, pwede mong kainin. No?
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
How much is one? Average.
For me, kwek, I think I can eat around 10
pieces.
10 pieces, no?
And how, and how much would that cost?
I don't know.
Is it like 1 peso per thing or
2 pesos, no?
2 pesos.
Yeah, I think.
Yeah, because of inflation.
I don't know. It's COVID.
Yo, yeah, it used to be 1 peso, diba?
Yeah, I think so. I'm not, di ko alam eh.
Yeah. Do you double dip or no?
Hindi.
No double dip. I think we're the same age, but I'll call you my Kuya. How old are you, dude?
41.
What? This motherfucker's 41?
Yeah, 41.
What the hell is it? This guy's 41? Dude, you look younger than me. I'm 36. What's your secret? Come here. What's your secret?
Kwek.
Dame kwek. That's your secret?
It sounds like quack.
Yeah. You know what I mean?
Our favorite.
Yeah. Our favorite. Quack. Alright, I'm gonna try to do this while holding the mic. Alright, so we got some quack, fish balls, kikiam, and chicken balls. Let's try it out. So once again, this dude's vinegar is hella good. Let's start off with the quack. It's hot. It's so good. Hey man, dude over there, he's drinking the vinegar. That's how good he's drinking it. I like that technique. Oh yeah, it's a good technique. You drink it. I think Eric's right. Quack is the best. Oh, what if I do this? Oh, yo! I thought of something, guys. Yo, look at it. Look at that. All right, we're gonna go for the kikiam. The kikiam is a mixture of pork, hey, babe. What is kikiam?
Fish.
It's fish? What is kikiam? This is fish? Or meat? Okay, we don't know what it is, but it's good. What is kikiam?
Something you can eat.
Whatever it is, it's hella good. According to who? Onyo? Okay, the owner of the place said it's squid. This is so good. Bro, I'm telling y'all, this dude's vinegar sauce is
got
fire. His vinegar's good, right? Yeah. Look. Look at that technique. All right, fishball time. Fishball time. Fire. Fire. Man, this is so good. What was your favorite again, Susha?
The quack quack one.
Yeah, I agree. It's the quack quack. I love orange balls. Don't go.
Yay!
I'm going for round 2. This is hella good. Okay, if you could only choose one, what would it be?
Fishball, duh!
What?
Yeah.
If you could only choose one for the rest of your life, it would be fish balls?
Between fishball and what? Quack quack?
All of them.
Fishball. You gotta go with the OG, you know?
I have.
No, he got sick.
Yeah.
He has a bad experience with it.
All right, chicken ball. Chicken ball. Ooh. Chicken ball's good. Kind of mid. Kind of mid.
I love it.
All right. Save the best for last. Quack quack. Once again. I know it's getting kind of repetitive, but I'm telling y'all, quack quack's the one. Kumusta mga kaibigan? Kaibigan. Kasama ko si Onyo, yung owner, fishball business. How are you, brother?
Okay lang po.
Don't be shy. It's okay. I only have 300 followers.
Bruh.
How long have you been doing the fish balls?
5 years.
Oh, 5 years. 5 years. How much do you make on an average day?
Hindi po para-pareho. May isa may 500, 600 ganyan. Pinakamataas 700.
500 a day? Pag busy.
Opo.
So we discovered you in front of the hypermarket. Is that the only place you park your business?
Opo. Yung pwesto na talaga. Malakas dun eh.
Do you have trouble like finding places? Does anybody get mad at you or?
May nagagalit ba sa'yo pag pumunta ka sa ibang spots?
Hindi naman. Wala naman po.
Kanino yun recipe sauces?
Sa akin. Kami gumagawa.
What's your favorite sauce?
Mangang.
And out of all of the options that you have, what is the most popular with all of the customers?
Anong pinakamasin?
Ito. Saka fishball. Chicken ball. Chicken ball.
So today, he was here for about an hour. Here's your 500, and then also a little extra on the top for you, sir. And oh, even a little bit more. Oh, one more, dude. There you go. Onyo, I appreciate your hard work, and I really think your vinegar sauce is like the best.
Yoga
in
fire!
Pampanga.
Thank you. Salamat.
Excuse me, sir. What's your favorite one?
Chicken ball.
Chicken ball. Good choice. Excuse me, ma'am. Which one is your favorite? Which one's your favorite?
Favorite? Ay, this
Which
one.
Quack quack.
Quack quack.
Quack quack's your favorite?
Yes,
Thank you.
sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Excuse me, sir. Which one is your favorite?
Hot dog.
Good choice. Hot dog. How is it so far?
When I was young, I wasn't allowed to eat street food. We could only do it when my dad will bring us to Angeles at my grandma's house. My mom's too afraid of bacteria or whatever. But now that I'm a grown-ass woman and I make grown-up money, I can have fishball guy whenever I want. Just don't show my mom this vlog.
If you're in Daeu, off of MacArthur Highway, as soon as you see the hypermarket, you'll see Onyo parked right there for the best fish balls in Dau. That wraps up the video for this week's adventure with Kuya RJ, fish balls, and my son's 2-month celebration. What better way to do it than the most Filipino way ever, renting out the fishball guy.